Hey everyone, welcome back to Hollow Point Defense. My name's John. Wanted to give an update on the M&P 2.0, the 9mm HD Spec 5 or Spec V series. Love this gun. I think it's the best gun that they have ever put out in the 9mm. I will attach some range footage that I did yesterday. I have not found a flatter shooting gun in the M&P series than this one right here. But there is one thing I did do to it. Let me get myself in front of it. You can see I changed out the compensator. It had this one on it, which was right here. Did not like it because it wasn't fitting my Safariland holsters in the 5-inch. And it wasn't fitting my Black Scorpion gear in the 5-inch holsters. And I'm not going to go out and buy new stuff. Plus, first of all, I don't like this one. I don't like how it has a set screw on top or the side screw. They do come loose. I don't Loctite them because I clean these things. When I run them, I run 400 or 500 rounds at a time. So if I'm doing it at my job and I assist with a range class, there's 400 rounds right there. And I take it apart and clean it. So Loctiting this is just not a viable thing for me. So what I did is I happened to find at Herrington Arms, they have this 1/2x28. It is a universal type R, I think is what they call it, compensator. Love it. I put this on here and it was shooting flat. There is no set screw to it, nothing like that. They give you 4 O-rings. Obviously one's missing because it's on here. And that thing's on there nice and tight. I went and shot yesterday 200 rounds, didn't move at all. This thing did not budge, it didn't come loose, nothing. These things, usually they're coming loose on me and it's just a pain in the butt. This one did not. It stayed perfectly there for 2 hours of shooting. I loved it. I just took it apart to look at the O-rings, looks just fine to me. So I bought another pack of 100 O-rings because probably once a week or depending on how much I shoot, I'll change them out and throw them away. Not a big deal. 100 pack was $8 on Amazon. But anyways, I love this gun still. It's the flattest shooting gun I've ever had. This one's not ported outside of this. I was going to do the shoot flat up here. Don't need to. Absolutely waste of money. But again, I took the one that came off the Strike. I think it's Strike. Yeah, Strike Industries screw-on comp. I took that off. Went back to the standard M&P barrel right there, as you can see it. Went back to that one, so I have the 4.6-inch barrel on there. With that, this thing shoots flat. So here in a minute, I'll put the video that we did yesterday at the range on some, I think there were 8-inch plates at 15 yards, and you'll see how flat this thing shoots with it. So if you're looking to get one of these, I would. And like I said in the last video, this is a badass gun. And if I could, and I might think about it, I'd get rid of all my other M&Ps to get another one of these and I'd be set. I do love the weight. I think the balance of the weight with the 9mm cartridge and this comp and everything else going on in it, they have made almost a very perfect gun. So I say almost perfect because I haven't had it all that long, maybe about 3 weeks. And there's still time to look at it, but it's a damn near perfect gun. And we'll go ahead and add this. If they take this off, put that one on there, it is a perfect gun. So let me know what you guys think if you've got them or had them. I'm not changing anything else out on it. You guys have a good day. Here's the shooting video.